to create a YouTube channel on mobile phone. Before I start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your time. Before creating a YouTube channel, you must have a Gmail account. And if you have a Gmail account, come and let's make a YouTube channel. Click your YouTube app. Next step, click your email logo. Here in the top, click it. This account is for a demo account only. Next, click your channel, click it. And here is your YouTube channel. To edit your details and add your logo and background, cover photo, your name. The next step is to create your own YouTube channel name, depending on what you want. And after you create your own YouTube channel name, click Save. The next one is a handle, but it's up to you if you want to edit it or not. But for me, no, I can change it. So I'm go back. Next is the picture or logo of your YouTube channel. Click it and find the logo you made or what logo you want. Click your logo and click Save as Profile Picture. Next, click Create Channel. Next, here is your YouTube channel dashboard. To create any details on your YouTube channel, click the pen icon. Here is your background picture. Click the camera icon to change it. Click to choose from your photos and find the picture you want to put on the cover photo of your YouTube channel. Sorry, he was not accepted because the size required is 1024 x 576. Here is your YouTube channel link. To copy it, click it box in the right button. Next is the description. Edit it and put what you want depending on the content of your YouTube channel. For me, I'm not put it because it's just a demo account, but you have to put it. Next, go back to your YouTube channel home. And here is your View More Analytics to see your views and watch hours and subscribers. Here you manage video to see your uploaded video to edit it. Here how to upload your video. Create or plus icon depends on you. Here are options to make short or upload video, and next tutorial how to upload shorts video and long video. For now, this first. Thanks for watching. Before I leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos. Take care everyone, bye bye.